Namaskar, dear students. Today I am going to tell you about the difference in two concepts of English grammar. It is related to sentence chapter. So the first topic is kinds or types of sentences, and the second topic is structures of a sentence. So there is a wide difference. First of all, we should not get confused between the words types and kinds and structures. Types and kind of a sentence depends upon the subject and the predicate. Okay? Based on that, we have four types or four kinds of sentences. These are declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So declarative sentence also has two other names. It is also known as assertive sentence or simply a statement. So the other three types of sentences do not have any subdivisions, but the declarative sentence have two clear-cut subdivisions. So a sentence which is declarative and is positive is known as affirmative sentence, affirmative, and a declarative sentence which is negative is known as a negative sentence. So negative sentences are very easy to mark because there is the usage, there are the usages of the words like no, not, all those. Okay. So now coming to the structure of the sentences. So a structure of the sentences is based on clauses. So before doing any chapter, we have to know what is the meaning of clause. So even before knowing what is the meaning of clause, we have to know what is the meaning of a sentence. So if I can give you a real life example, we stay in our house. So overall our house is the sentence. Each rooms are the clauses. Okay, and each things in the rooms are the phrases. So I can tell you sentence is one, clause is half of a sentence, and phrases are half of a clause. There is a similarity between sentences and clause. A sentence and clause both have a subject and a verb, but the main difference is that a sentence is complete in itself because it has a verb for its complete specification, but a clause, although it has a verb, it will give us half meaning, and a phrase will neither have a subject nor have a clause. So based on this, the structure of a sentences can be divided as simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence, and complex compound sentence. So this is just the difference between the structure of a sentence and types of a sentence. Thank you.